Hey there, smoothie lovers! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a delicious and healthy recipe. Today, I got something special for all of you who are looking to shed some pounds quickly. We're making 5 low-carb smoothies that are not only tasty but also perfect for rapid weight loss. Let's dive right in. Smoothie number 1. Green Avocado Delight. We have the Green Avocado Delight. This smoothie is packed with healthy fats and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Ingredients appear on screen. 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon stevia optional, ice cubes. Creamy and delicious. Plus, it's low in carbs and perfect for a morning boost. Smoothie number 2. Berry Blast. Next, we have the Berry Blast. This smoothie is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. Ingredients appear on screen. 1/2 cup frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup frozen raspberries, 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ice cubes. Sweet and tangy, this one will give you that energy kick without the sugar crash. Smoothie number 3. Chocolate Peanut Butter Shake. For all the chocolate lovers out there, our chocolate peanut butter shake is a dream come true and still low carb. Ingredients appear on screen. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon stevia optional, ice cubes. Rich, creamy, and decadent. You won't believe it's good for you. Smoothie number 4. Tropical Coconut Pineapple. Up next is our tropical coconut pineapple smoothie. It's like a mini vacation in a glass. Ingredients appear on screen. 1/2 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut, unsweetened, 1 teaspoon stevia optional, ice cubes. Light, refreshing, and perfect for a hot day. This will definitely curb those sweet cravings. Thanks for joining me today and trying out these delicious low-carb smoothies. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss, and these smoothies are a fantastic way to keep your diet on track. If you found these smoothies helpful and are ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, check out the link in the description and take the 21-day Smooth Diet Challenge now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more weight loss tips, and hit the notification bell for updates on our latest content. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep motivating each other on this journey together.